Hey there everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install your SIM card and SD card into your LG K8. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to install them and also how to set up the SD card so that pictures and videos from now on are saved to the SD card rather than the internal memory of the phone. And I'm also going to show you how to transfer old files and pictures from the internal memory of the phone to the SD card so that you can free up space in your phone. Alright, so let's get right into it. First thing we're going to need to do is remove the back cover. It's going to have a slight opening over here on the back towards the bottom. You're going to wedge your nail in there and just pull up on it. Okay, it has a couple clips, but they come off pretty easily, so put that to the side. And let's go ahead and remove the battery. Put that down. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and place the SIM card in first. So here's the back of the phone. We're going to get our SIM card, and we're going to place it in here with the slanted part in first. Once it's in there, push it in all the way till it doesn't go in anymore. There you go. And then the SD card is going to go on the slot right above it, right here. And we're going to push it in as well till it doesn't go in anymore. It should look like that. Okay, so once you have that in there, place the battery back in. And let's place the back cover. There we go, and let's power the phone on. Alright, so there you go, the phone has powered on, and as soon as it powers on, it should start automatically reading the SIM card and the SD card. It's reading the SIM card. It picked up the signal up here, as you can see. So it automatically picks up the signal for the SIM card if the SIM card is activated. And it should also automatically start reading the SD card. As you see here, it says new SD card detected. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you now how to set up so that the pictures and videos that you take from now on save automatically to the SD card. Okay, so we're going to need to go to settings. Here in settings, you're going to scroll down to storage. And then up here, it's going to say default write disk. So here, we're not going to select internal storage. We're going to select SD card now. Okay, so we're going to leave it at that. Go back to storage, make sure that it's selected. There we go. So any pictures and videos that you take from now on, let's take one right here. It is going to be saved to the SD card. And we're going to check that by going to the file manager, going into SD card, DCIM folder, camera, and selecting the picture. And there it is. There's the picture that we just took. So it is in the SD card. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to transfer old files, pictures, videos, music, anything that you want to transfer from the internal memory of the phone to the SD card to free up space. So once again, we're going to go to the file manager. Here in the file manager, though, we're going to go to internal storage, which is the internal memory of the phone, which is where we want to transfer out from. So for the purpose of the video, I'm going to select pictures and videos. That's in DCIM and camera folder. So here are all the pictures that have been taken with the camera of the phone and that are in the internal storage. So I'm going to select it. Once you have one selected, tap on the little arrow right here and hit select all. So there we go. All of them are selected. Once you have them all selected, we're going to go ahead and tap on this paper thing right here. Okay, and then now we're going to go back here. We're going to go back to home, and then now we're going to select SD card, which is where we want to save it to. And we're going to save it in the same DCIM folder of the SD card. And then once we're here, we're going to tap and hold on the paper clipboard here. There you go. And all of the pictures have been pasted here. So now they are in the SD card. There you go, as you can see. So now let's go. Now what we're going to do is in the file manager, we're going to go back to the internal storage, the folder that we want to transfer out. And now we're going to select all of them once again and hit the garbage bin delete button. And there you go, delete them completely so they are no longer in the internal storage and you have freed up space. And keep in mind, you could do this with any other type of files that you want to transfer over to your SD card to free up space on your LG K8. Alright everyone, so that is it for this video. Hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. And I will see you around in the next video. Peace.